Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am excited to be here to release the Irresistible Blooms Class to Go. This is the March 2023 Class to Go, designed by myself and Laura Milligan in the US, and we are so excited to feature this brand new, beautiful bundle. This is an online exclusive bundle. It's called the Irresistible Blooms, and it's got some great greetings in here, some floral images, and then of course some coordinating dies. And these dies are absolutely stunning. In addition to that, there is some beautiful 6x6 DSP, and you can see here some of the patterns, but look at the colors and the patterns on these papers. They're so beautiful. Look at this one of my favorites. These two patterns, well, actually these four patterns, actually coordinate with the dies. So this larger floral image will cut out this one, the smaller one will cut out the smaller floral image, and then the two leaves will cut out these two leaves, and even these little images in here, this die will cut that out as well. And then on the backside of these papers, we've got kind of like a watercolor wash kind of look. Some of them have a subtle pattern, but there is a beautiful kind of watercolor type wash with some speckles. So it is absolutely stunning DSP. And then also included is the loose frosted dots. So these come in Pretty Peacock, Daffodil Delight, and Flirty Flamingo. And they coordinate, of course, with the DSP and work beautifully with the bundle. Now, the Class to Go is available until March 8th. And what you'll receive, option number 1 is $40 plus $5 shipping and is available to anyone in Canada. And you'll receive half a package of this DSP. So this is just a quarter package. You'll get 2 of each of these. And you'll get the frosted dots, and then you'll get the pre-cut card kits for 6 card kits that we used this bundle to create. And I'll share a peek at those in just a moment, as well as the emailed PDF that has a full supply list, measurements, photos, and links to videos for all 6 of the cards that we're going to create. Option number 2, if you don't yet have this bundle, which many of you won't, because as of March 1st, this just became available to customers. So if you don't have this bundle, if you spend $101.75 using the class host code, and I will post that in the description below, which $101.75, that includes the bundle, a full package of the DSP, and the loose frosted dots. I will send you the class kit and the email absolutely free. All right, and then if you are outside of Canada and would like to participate, there is a tutorial option. Again, I will link that in the description below. And if you are part of my Treasure Stampers team, you can participate. You will get the tutorial for free. All you have to do is simply request it. And if you want the kits, then that is an extra $15. All right, so again, the deadline is March 8th. And here's a little peek at the cards. So we did do some embossing. So there's a technique and there's a couple fun folds in here. Really, really highlights the DSP and the beautiful stamp set. All right, so I am so looking forward to this class. I know you are going to love the cards, and it'll be, they're card designs that you can use over and over and over again. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in class.